Me and the wife are off to the gym this morning. I lifted with my buddy last night, and he's like a bodybuilder, and he has huge legs, like really big.
I got you on video. You can't fail. Come on. Come on. Come on. 7. 8. Baña por no, ¿verdad? 9. Come on. Come on. Por papá. 10. Come on.
Let's go be a big boy, come on. Yup. Yup, come on. Good. Good, deep breath. I got you, don't worry. Good, one more. I want a deep breath. Don't let me help you, come on. Go. Good. What else? What else? What else? What else? Go. 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 Yo, so fairy though, so fairy.
And this morning I'm walking like a newborn giraffe. I'm having problems getting around. Huh.
Yeah, whiny baby.
It hurts.
Everybody call him whiny baby.
She's not funny. Just got done with our workout. I'm not really feeling too hot. Sickness is kind of taking over me, so I had to tone it down some. But yeah, today's probably just going to be a vlogging video. There's nothing going on. The Ultima's done. I have no other cars. But it gives me a chance to scope out other cars on the auction and just do some research today. So tomorrow I can go look at some stuff and get an idea of what I want. So I'm going to take another little test drive in the Ultima here. Just check it out. The lady that was supposed to come tomorrow and buy it from me, I called her and said the window tint's off, it's ready to go. And she said she bought something else. So the Ultima's still for sale. So if you're interested, $7,000. It's still here. Alright, so I'm just going to take the Ultima for a little spin. We're going to check everything over, make sure everything's good on it. And that way if somebody comes, I know I won't have anything to worry about. Haven't really drove it. Well, the brakes are really touchy. I haven't really drove it since I put that tire on, so I definitely want to make sure the thump is gone, which if you all seen the tire, it's more than likely what the problem was. So I'm just going to take a small drive. We'll just check it out. I'm not going to romp on it. I just want to make sure everything's good. I just changed the oil. Everything seems good, but I haven't really had it up to driving speed, and it did have a lot of thumps. That tire was very bad. So we'll see how it goes. It's running and driving awesome. It's quiet, there's no thumps. It runs just like you would expect any Ultima this year to run. It's nice. So, almost done with this. I'm going to go down the road here a little bit, turn around, head back, and we'll park it. And that's where it'll sit until the next owner comes. Until somebody wants to test drive it. On another good note, right now, on my drive back, I reset my fuel meter to see what kind of gas mileage you can get when you run it at like 60 mile an hour constant. and it's still going up, and I'm getting 42.4 right now. And that's like, that's awesome. I've never had a car my Veloster, I've got 40 out of it, and that was like really baby in it. And it was on a flat road. This road's like up and down all the time. But just taking it easy, staying about 60 mile an hour, still 42.9. It's still going up a little bit. So this car's nice. Honestly, if you take this car and you'd put a 6-speed manual in it, I'd have one for sure, as it is right now.
Oh, hell no!
All right, so there you have it. At one point, after I turned the camera off, I was up to 46 miles a gallon. Then I had to go up a couple hills to get to my house. I ended up settling at 41 miles to the gallon. That's awesome, especially for a car this size. It's not like some little shit box that you can't fit much stuff in. Like, this thing's roomy and it's comfortable. All right, so it's Monday morning and I'm off to work just like most of you guys. I work today, tomorrow, and Wednesday, and then I'm off until next Tuesday. I need to apologize because this is going to be a short video. We got a lot of things going on with leaving Thursday to go to Ohio, so I'm really not going to be able to get much more footage. But the footage that I do get is going to be probably Friday's video. I'm going to say Fridays or Saturdays. And then if I have any other videos after that, they're just going to be live stream videos because I'm going to be on vacation. And then next week I'll have the video that I make while I'm on vacation. I used my little action camera with my microphone a lot on the last episode, and I can tell you I'm highly impressed with that little Movo mic. That's what I'm using right now. I'm taking it with me today for, like I said, this is probably going to be Friday's video, and you'll see why on Friday, why that's coming up. That being said, thanks for watching. Go check out some of my other videos, and like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace out!